better than Brent Selleck. No way. That's the jersey I'm getting this year. Brent Selleck.
But
I don't mean to pull a race card, but I'll be the first white player I've ever gotten as a jersey.
Let me tell you
not pulling the race card.
What white player besides a punter, a kicker, and a quarterback?
I'm just saying.
Listen, I don't mean to offend you, but besides Deshaun Jackson, what's the O looking like this year?
I'm saying, do you see? Do I gotta break out the videos?
Do I have to bring out the statistics?
My man Kevin Collins played 2 games, and he almost broke a record in 2 games. So what statistics are you gonna break out?
Kevin Cobb, I laugh at you with Kevin Cobb. I straight up laugh at you
For what?
with Kevin Cobb.
Bring it on. What are we gonna laugh about?
Alright, here's what I got for you. Every single position I throw at you, except for your tight end position, what do you got better on the Giants offense? Tell me.
Fucking wide receivers.
Is Kevin
Are
Cobb
you kidding me?
is Kevin Cobb's statistics and Mike Vick's statistics better than Eli Manning?
Eli Manning's some shit. He's fucking Peyton Manning's retarded stepbrother. He's fucking. He has Down syndrome. He's got Down syndrome. Look at him.
Come on,
Look at him. He has Down syndrome. Brandon Jacobs, washed
Yo
up.
would love to have Eli
Brandon Jacobs
Manning.
is fucking
They would love
done.
to have Eli Manning. You know how sexy we get Eli Manning? Nah, don't even
Personally,
lie.
honest to God, I'm not one of those Redskins fans that likes Donovan McNabb all of a sudden, but I do not like Eli Manning. I wouldn't be that size.
Can I ask you a question? Name 4 players on your defense who are worth naming.
Asante Samuel,
That's
Stuart
one.
Bradley.
Trent Cole, that's 2.
Trent
Who
Cole,
else?
that's 3.
No, okay, that's 3. But who else is I didn't hear you say. Who was the second one?
Asante Samuels, Stuart Bradley. Are you gonna hate on Stuart Bradley?
Alright, give me a 4th.
When he steps up.
Give me a 4th.
When he steps up. When he steps up. He's gonna step up.
Pulling out the wild cards on me.
Oh my Macho Harris is gonna step up. Don't worry, he's got it this year.
Yo, I'm sorry.
He's gonna step up this year. The only person that made us really look bad as a defense was fucking Miles Austin. He made us look like shit. He made us look disgusting. He made us look like a fucking high school team. Miles Austin, he burned Asante Samuel.
Is that the guy that's dating Kim Kardashian?
No.
Yeah, it is.
He's dating Kim Kardashian now?
Yeah.
Get it in there.
Meaning he has a chance of winning a championship right now.
Yep.
Unfortunately, because all the Kardashians are dated championship players. Back to the subject.
Lamar Odom's a leash. He's a leash.
Because he goes out with Khloe